Hello everyone. In this video I want to show how to use a solid or gradient background, using the lighting of an HDR image with HDRi Maker add-on. To better see the result, I'll use Cycles Render in preview mode. This background has a nice light and nice colors, so I want to keep them as a source of lighting. Now I'm going to apply a solid color, keeping the HDR light we're seeing right now. In the color category, there are some backgrounds for this purpose. Let's try to choose the foregradient so we see what happens. Now to apply it as diffuse, press the diffuse button. This will make it visible, without affecting the lighting. As you can see, the lighting on the 3D model hasn't changed. The lighting is exactly as before. Now, to better understand, I'm going to show what happens if you use all gradient directly without having HDR lighting. I completely remove the background. I directly add the gradient background to the scene. As you can see, without HDR lighting, the gradient illuminates the scene with its light. Let's try to add an HDR to illuminate the scene, keeping the gradient, using the light button from the world menu. So as before, we have the gradient visible, and the HDR light illuminating the scene. Now let's try using a solid color, present in the HDRi Maker library. We apply it using the diffuse button. By default the solid color is gray, but we can choose the color we want. This shade of gray is the same as the Blender background in material preview mode. Now let's change the color. To do this, simply click on the Use Solid Color button. Then we choose the color. As you can see, even using the black color, the light of the scene always exists, thanks to the HDR background image we added earlier. You can set any color. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on news.